Today video I am going to explain how to do pacing. Before going to pacing, first you can choose SolidCAM 2.5D. Then you can pick pace milling operation. Then click. If you click, this window will appear. You can check your coordinate system. Then you can here two option is there. One is stock based boundary, another one is part based boundary. So you can select first part based boundary, then you can pick your boundary. You can click here, automatically it will select. Okay, base geometry, you can click here. Then OK, tool, you can select paste milling cutter 63 dia, whatever we using, you can choose it. Here you can write 63 paste mill for identification purpose. Then you can go datas, you can give spindle speed 1500, then feed rate. Feed rate is varied based on the material. Also RPM is varied based on material. You can choose whatever used you based on the your material. Upper level you can pick here. Then depth you can pick here. If you want equal step down, like step by step, you can pick here like 0.5 or 0.4, whatever. Now I am giving 0. Why? Because only 0.5 stock is available for Z plus, right? That's why. Then go to technology. You can choose zigzag. If you want floor offset, give it here. Now it is don't want for me, so let it be. Then you can go link also. I will choose tangent. Lead out also same as lead in. Okay, then you can generate this paste mill operation created. You can check and solid verify. Okay, it is cleared. This is how we creating paste mill contour.